The wait is finally over. After years of speculation, leaks, and Elon Musk's cryptic tweets, the Tesla flying car is here, and it's rewriting every rule in the book. Not a prototype, not a concept, not another "coming soon" headline. This is real, functional, and ready to order. A machine that can take off vertically like a drone, cruise through the sky at 150 miles per hour, and land right in your driveway. And the craziest part? It costs just $6,789. Yeah, you heard that right. Less than a used Honda Civic, less than a gaming PC for some people, and about 1/16th the price of a Model 3. When Tesla made the announcement, the internet lost its mind. Forums exploded, analysts double-checked their calendars, and everyone assumed it was a typo. But it wasn't. Tesla claims they've cracked the flying car code and somehow made it affordable. According to Musk, it's all about scale, materials innovation, and merging Tesla's EV expertise with SpaceX's aerospace genius. The result? A real flying vehicle that feels more like science fiction than reality. Don't go anywhere, the best is yet to come. So, what exactly is it? Officially, Tesla calls it an EVOL, Electric Vertical Takeoff and Landing Vehicle. In plain English, it's a fully electric personal aircraft designed for everyday use. It seats 2 people, operates completely autonomously, and takes off from just about anywhere. Your driveway, rooftop, or even a small backyard landing pad. Picture this. You step outside, climb in, and in seconds, you're soaring over traffic instead of sitting in it. It's part car, part mini-jet, part dream come true. Maybe stick around, more captivating stories are coming. Now let's talk numbers. The Tesla flying car hits speeds of up to 150 miles per hour with a flight range of around 100 miles per charge. That's enough to cover most city-to-city trips. Think Los Angeles to San Diego or New York to Philadelphia, with power to spare. Even more impressive, it runs at just 65 decibels. For comparison, that's quieter than a normal conversation. So you can take off from your driveway without your neighbors even realizing it. Inside, it's built for simplicity. 2 carbon fiber seats, a massive touchscreen control panel, and Tesla's signature minimalist design language. But let's be honest, the biggest question isn't how fast it goes, it's how it's so cheap. Because traditional flying vehicles cost anywhere from $150,000 to $500,000. So how is Tesla selling one for under $7,000? The secret lies in 3 innovations. First, minimalist design. Just like the Cybertruck threw out traditional manufacturing methods, the flying car is built around a lightweight monocoque frame with almost no moving parts. Second, ultralight materials. Instead of stainless steel or titanium, Tesla uses an aluminum-lithium alloy that's incredibly strong, heat-resistant, and easy to mass-produce. And third, battery technology. By combining Tesla's advanced EV batteries with SpaceX's power management systems, they've created a modular 6-pack battery setup that's both powerful and redundant. If one cell fails mid-air, the others automatically compensate, keeping you flying safely. Step inside, and you'll realize this isn't your average cockpit. It's something straight out of Blade Runner. The 360-degree transparent canopy wraps you in glass, offering a panoramic view of everything around you. The city below, clouds above, even the horizon stretching into infinity. The interior feels like Tesla's greatest hits. No clutter, no switches, no confusion, just one massive touchscreen controlling every function. Takeoff, altitude, navigation, lighting, climate, you name it. It's like sitting inside the future. Keep watching for more mind-blowing insights. And those doors? You get 2 options: standard swing doors for simplicity or gullwing doors for pure cinematic flair. The demo unit Tesla showcased went full gullwing. And honestly, it looked like something parked on a movie set. Every inch of it screams luxury and innovation. But what makes it fly is even more fascinating. Forget helicopter blades. Tesla's flying car uses electric jet propulsion. Compact, enclosed fans inspired by SpaceX rocket technology. They provide vertical lift, cleanly and quietly, without the terrifying noise or vibration of traditional rotors. The control system uses the same autonomous stabilization principles that SpaceX rockets use when landing upright. That means smooth ascents, steady hovering, and precision landings that look almost unreal. Once in the air, Tesla's onboard AI takes over, calculating optimal routes, weather conditions, and air traffic in real time. You can take full manual control if you're licensed, but otherwise, it's as simple as entering a destination and pressing launch. Performance-wise, it's no gimmick. With its 100-mile range and lightning-fast charging, 0% to 80% in just 25 minutes using a Tesla supercharger, you could use this every single day. The first generation runs on durable lithium iron phosphate batteries, but Tesla's already testing solid-state cells that could double the range to 200 miles. That's enough to fly from New York to Philadelphia and back without touching a control. Combine that with near-silent operation, zero emissions, and almost no maintenance, and you start to realize what Tesla's building isn't a toy. It's the next step in personal mobility. And yes, safety was the top priority. The aircraft features multiple redundant systems. If one power source fails, backup cells kick in automatically. It also comes equipped with an autonomous emergency landing system that can detect malfunctions and bring the craft down safely on its own. There's even a built-in parachute system, just in case. Its radar and LiDAR-based collision avoidance constantly scan the environment, making mid-air accidents nearly impossible. And since it operates so quietly, it fits right into urban airspace regulations without disrupting noise levels. More amazing facts are coming up next. Don't miss out. So, where can you actually use it? Right now, only in certain approved areas. Cities like Dubai, Los Angeles, and Singapore are already rolling out vertiports, specialized landing and charging pads for electric aircraft. In the US, Miami and LA are leading the charge. Tesla's plan is to eventually install small landing zones across suburban neighborhoods, mall rooftops, and parking garages. Think of it like supercharger stations, but in the sky. The launch strategy feels a lot like Tesla's early days with the Model S. The first batch will go to pre-approved customers living near certified flight corridors. It's a controlled rollout, focused on safety and compliance before mass adoption. But the long-term vision? By 2030, Tesla wants these flying cars to be as common as rideshare vehicles. Imagine skipping a 2-hour traffic jam and gliding across the city in just 10 minutes. That's the world Tesla's building toward. It's easy to dismiss flying cars as sci-fi fantasy. We've heard that promise for decades. But Tesla has a history of turning impossible into inevitable. They made electric cars mainstream. They built reusable rockets. They created a robot that walks like a human. And now, they're setting their sights on the sky. So here we are. The $6,789 Tesla flying car. Real, functional, and ready to change how we think about travel forever. The future isn't coming anymore. It's already here. The only question is, are you ready to take off? Which part blows your mind the most? The panoramic canopy, the gullwing doors, or those silent electric jet engines? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more deep dives into the tech shaping tomorrow, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because in this new world, the sky isn't the limit anymore. It's the road ahead.